Hey guys, Chris from Florida Drone Supply. Who does not love a tactical backpack? I know I do, and I have way too many of them as it is. Well, our good friends at Autel designed this rugged backpack for the Evo Max series, and I have to say, I am pretty impressed with the way this one turned out. Let's see what you can fit inside of this backpack. When you purchase an Evo Max series drone, it comes in a rugged, hard case that is great on its own, but it can be a bit awkward to travel with or carry with you on extended missions or extreme terrains. On the outside of this new tactical backpack, you have two outer pockets, and on the inside of the top one, you have a waterproof cover that you can slide over the top to keep your gear protected from the elements. Below that, you have the larger outside pocket that you can store a ton of supplies or accessories in. You have Velcro at the top for patches, name tags, and you have the Molle style straps on the pockets to attach additional carry items. Inside of the pack, we have space for the Evo Max drone and 3 spare batteries. You can technically carry 4 batteries with you if you store the 4th battery in the drone. You also have the spot for the V3 smart controller, and underneath the controller space, you have room for all of your cables, chargers, and spare props. On a full loadout, this would not be difficult at all to carry on your back for many miles. Once you are ready to fly, simply unzip the pack, take the drone and the remote out, and get in the air. For our public safety and industrial customers, this is an easy way to transport your Evo Max drone in and out of cars, trucks, helicopters, airplanes, and more. It does have the same hard foam on the inside that comes standard on the hard case, so your gear will always stay protected from side, back, and front impacts. For $169, this is a must-have accessory for your Autel Evo Max drone. So click on the link below, place your order, and we will ship it right out to you. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate you being a part of the Florida Drone Supply channel. And if we can help you out in any way, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.